Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to walk you through how to fix common installation issues when setting up OpenVPN 2.6.7 on your Windows laptop. Let's dive in. OpenVPN is a fantastic tool for securing your internet connection by creating private VPN tunnels. However, even though it's reliable, some users run into issues when installing OpenVPN 2.6.7, especially on Windows. Whether you're facing compatibility problems, errors during installation, or network driver issues, we've got you covered. Before jumping into the installation, make sure your Windows system is up to date. Sometimes, older versions of Windows may not support the latest OpenVPN features. Go to Settings, check for updates, and make sure you have the latest version of Windows 10 or 11 installed. Alright, let's talk about the most common installation problems. 1. Error: the OpenVPN installer has encountered an error. This happens when your system has missing or outdated drivers. Specifically, it's related to network adapters like tap windows, which OpenVPN relies on. Fix: simply uninstall any existing tap Windows adapters from the device manager, then run the OpenVPN installer again and select the option to install tap during the process. Error: OpenVPN service failed to start. This error is usually caused by missing administrator privileges or a conflict with another VPN or firewall software. Fix: right-click the installer and choose Run as Administrator. You may also want to temporarily disable any other VPN software or firewall to avoid conflicts. One critical part of the installation is ensuring the tap Windows adapter installs correctly. This adapter allows your computer to create a virtual network interface for VPN connections. Still having trouble? Here are a couple of advanced fixes to consider. Reinstall the tap driver manually. You can download the latest tap drivers directly from OpenVPN's website and install them without reinstalling OpenVPN. Check for conflicting software. Some antivirus or firewall software can interfere with OpenVPN. Try temporarily disabling them and then install OpenVPN. That's it, folks. If you followed these steps, your OpenVPN 2.6.7 should be up and running smoothly on your Windows laptop. Sometimes it's just a matter of installing the right drivers or adjusting system settings. If you're still facing issues or have specific questions, drop a comment below, and I'll try to help out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.